Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cycler Dawn. I'm wearing my mask because I'm in a crowded public place, and this is a very special place, guys, and everyone has to visit it because this is one of the best places to visit in India. I'm not going to tell you where I am. You can just see the glimpses and you'll know.
Hi guys, so we are at the Statue of Unity, which is the hugest, largest statue in the world in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Check it out.
So guys, we are right here, and this is the awesome structure which you should come see.
So this beautiful, huge statue is located at the banks of Sabarmati River, and we are joined on this journey by our friends Lincoln and Priya.
गांधी जी ने बहुत जल्द ही वल्लभ भाई पटेल की बुद्धि और क्षमता को पहचान लिया और तत्काल ही उनको 1918 में उनके गृह जिले खेड़ा में सत्याग्रह का नायक बना।
I'm at the feet of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is a majestic statue, the hugest statue in the world, and it's in a beautiful complex called the Statue of Unity. You can see the river front here, the Sabarmati River, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. And the museum complex is just very beautiful. It tells the history of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Home Minister of India. He played a very, very important role in our country's history, and we have a lot to thank him for. So this statue and this complex is paying respects to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and we are very proud of him, and we have come to give our respects.
Hey guys, so we are done with visiting the statue. It was really nice. We enjoyed our time here.
There are lots of activities you can do here. There is a safari, there is a water show, there is a laser show, there is a boat ride. There's lots you can do. Please come with lots of time to spend here. Great experience. Must visit when you are in Gujarat.
Peace.